So in this video, we are going to see how you can make money in Nigeria. So, are you in Nigeria? Are you planning to leave Nigeria because you are not making money? Now, cool down. I want to show you how you can make money even while you are living in Nigeria. You can make a lot of money. All right? First, what is money? Money comes when you create value, when you add value, when you solve people's problem, money will come to you. You don't have to beg for it. A lot of people are suffering. A lot of people are struggling because what? They don't know how to create value. They don't know how to solve other people's problem, and see, money will not come. So if you want to make money, the first question you need to ask yourself is, what problem can I solve? Because if you solve my problem, I will give you money. If my clothes are dirty and you come to me and present a solution to washing my clothes, I give you money. But a lot of people don't have any problem they can solve. They don't know how to solve other people's problems. So how can you make money? Now that you have a problem that you want to solve, now that you know that the major way you can make money is to solve a problem, let's dive into the video. Don't go anywhere. You have to subscribe to this channel now if you have not subscribed. And make sure you hit that like button. Now, there are two major ways you can make money anywhere. Whether you are in Nigeria, whether you are anywhere in the world, there are two major ways you can make money. Number one, it's either you have a product, you are selling a product. You have a business that you are selling something, you have a product, or you have a service. These are the two major ways you can make money. Any other ways is added to it, but this one, you must have a product and you must have a service. Some people don't have a product, some people don't offer any service, and they are looking for money. It's not possible now. No, you think I'm now. It's not possible. How can you make money when you don't have a product? How can you make money when you don't render any service? So, like I said before, if you want to make money, first of all, you must know the problem you are going to solve, which is the service. You must have something to sell, which is the product. All right? I want to give you 4 major ways you can double your income while you are in Nigeria. Number one, don't depend on one source of income. A lot of people are struggling because they are depending on one source of income. Maybe you're earning a salary, and before the end of the month, you have even borrowed more money to spend. Why? Because you're depending on one source of income. What do you need to do? You look for other side hustle that you can make money from, that can earn you money. For instance, if you have a salary, for instance, maybe after work, after you finish your daily job and whatever, you can create an extra time to make money on the side. All right? You can look for a little business you can be doing on the side. You can look for other things you can be doing just to earn more money so that you will not depend on your monthly income. Number two, you have to think outside the box. Just like I said, you have to learn how to increase your income by having more than one source of income. Learn how to think outside the box. Don't depend on that thing you are doing. Don't focus on that thing you are doing. Learn to expand yourself. Learn to expand, increase your capacity by doing more. Think outside just doing that one job. Think outside just depending on that your one business you are doing. Increase your capacity by thinking outside the box. Number three, learn how to sell your skill set. Learn how to sell your skill set. You have a business, you have an idea. What is that unique thing that you can do without anybody stressing you? What is that skill that you already have? What is that idea you already have? Learn how to sell it. Learn how to bring it online. Learn how to teach that. See, if you can teach somebody that skill you have, you will make a lot of money. For instance, you're a tailor and you start teaching somebody how to make dress, you are going to make a lot of money. You are a barber, for instance, and you start teaching someone how you can barb your hair. Just like my hair, I barb my own hair. Every time I barb my own hair. So if you can teach somebody how you can cut your hair, you can make a lot of money. So bring that your idea and learn how to teach people this your idea. You have a skill and you are not teaching somebody and you are not impacting somebody with that knowledge, you are very stingy. Don't be stingy. Learn how to impact people with the knowledge you have. Learn how to turn that your unique skill into money by teaching somebody and showing somebody. Don't be stingy. Teach somebody that your skill. Learn how to sell. Learn how to bring your skills online. Learn how to tell people that this is what I do. This is what I sell. This is the product I have. Learn how to sell. Learn how to sell. Learn how to sell. In that way, you're going to increase your income. Number 4, learn how to collaborate with others. Don't depend on your ideas. Don't depend on only one idea. Don't depend on yourself. You cannot do everything by yourself. Okay? You can't do everything by yourself. Leverage on other people. Leverage on other people's audience. Leverage on other people's ideas. Leverage on other people's skills and make money from it. You know why you are struggling? Because you are doing everything by yourself. You are doing everything with your own skill, with the skills you have. Learn how to collaborate with others. Learn how to leverage with other people's ideas and skills and their audience. Number 5, learn how to save. Save something. Save, save, save. Don't spend everything you earn. A lot of people are struggling. You know why? Because they are eating everything they earn. When money comes into their hands, it's just pocket money. They put it in their pocket, and do you know what? They spend everything they earn. Even before the money comes, they have already spent everything. Learn how to save something. No matter how little you earn, if you can save something from that little thing you earn, you are going to make a lot of money and you are not going to be dependent on people to survive. Build a savings culture. If you have not liked this video, please like this video, and please hit on that subscribe button, and there's a notification bell there. Hit on that notification bell so that anytime I post video, you will just be the first person to. Let me recap. I said money can only come when you have a product or you have a service. When you know the problem you can solve for people, they are going to give you money. If you have a product and you can use your product to solve somebody's problem, then they will give you money. Money will always run to you when you have a product or you have a service and you are using that your service to help others. You are using that your product to solve other people's problem. That is when money will come. Another one is that don't depend on one source of income. Learn how to have other side hustles. Learn how to have other side businesses that will bring you money. Another one is that learn how to think outside the box. Think outside the box. Don't just depend on one ability. Think of how you can multiply that thing, the idea you have. Okay? Another one is learn how to sell your ideas. Don't be ashamed. Don't be shy to sell. Tell people about what you are doing. Tell people the ability you have and sell your ability, your ideas to people. Another one is that learn how to collaborate. Don't just depend on your ability or your ideas. Learn how to leverage on other people to get what you want. And the last one is that learn how to save. Don't spend everything you have. Develop a savings culture. If you like this video, click on that like button and subscribe to this channel. and share this to your friends. Tell them to come and join. If you want to learn about finances, how to make money, just come here and gather. Let us make money together. My name is Kenneth, and I'll see you in another video.